Hi everyone, I'm Cody, W3AMG with BridgeCom Systems. Today we are going to be showing you how to update and upgrade your Skybridge plus Hotspot. Awesome, let's get into it. So first off, you'll want to take a look at your Skybridge, make sure it's turned on and plugged in here. And we can see there's an IP address. We want to go to that address, 192.168.1.177 in my case. That will be different for you. One of the advantages of the Skybridge is it actually displays that information, make it easy for you. So we're going to type that in a web browser. Make sure your computer is connected to the same network as your Skybridge is plugged into. Once we are here, go to Configuration. At that point, we can actually look at the top menu bar up here, and we have the option for update. So we want to do the update before the upgrade. They change a couple different components of the Skybridge for the update process. So go ahead and do the update first. So click on it, and it's going to run the process here. Now, depending on how old your Skybridge is, this could take a while. If it's pretty newly updated, probably won't take very long, but if you've had your Skybridge for a number of years, this may take quite a while to update. So make sure you have your Skybridge connected to power versus a battery, and you're ready to just let it run for a while. You don't want to unplug your Skybridge during the process, as you could corrupt some files. There we go, so mine was just recently updated, so it's finished. Everything is up to date already on mine. So at this point, if we want to do the upgrade next, we are going to go back to configuration, and this time we're going to go to expert. And at that point, there's another option here for upgrade. Go ahead and click on it, and same process. Oh, there we go, it's already finished. So looks like we were already up to date, but if we were not, this would upgrade us to the latest version.